Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we will discuss about inheritance. In our last classes we already discussed about class, object, constructor and method. We use the concepts which we already discussed in our previous classes. So please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding of the complete Python language. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, let's take an example and understand what inheritance means. So the example which we considered here is a class parent. We are taking one class. The name of that class is parent. In this class we are having two methods. F is a method and F1 is a method. In F method we are printing it as print parent class F method, print parent class F1 method. And now next we are taking class child. We are defining one more class. The name of the class is child, and this child class is inheriting the parent class. If you want to inherit the parent class, we will write the syntax like this. In the brackets in the class, we have to define the name of the parent class. The parent class name is parent. That's why we are writing the name of parent. So what's the meaning of inheritance means here? So if you are this class is inheriting the parent class, that means the methods or the members that are present in this class can access all the members of this class. That is what inheritance means. So let's take an example so that you will have a better understanding of this. So we define two classes. One is parent class, child class. Child class is inheriting the parent class. Now we define an object for child class. So child class, we defined an object. The object name is ob1, and ob1 dot we are calling the method f2. F2 is the method that present in the child class, so we can access the method f2. But with the object ob1 we are calling the method f1, which is in the parent class. That's the meaning of inheritance. We can inherit the members of the parent class. So we can access from the child class, we can access both the child class and parent class members. That is what inheritance means. So we can access F method, F1 method, F2 method. So the output is child class F2 method, parent class F1 method, parent class F method. So this is about inheritance. Now we go to the concept of multi-level inheritance. So we have taken only one level here in our previous example. Multi-level means more than one level. We call it as multi-level inheritance. Let's take an example, class parent. In this we are having two methods, and class child is inheriting the parent method, parent class. So this is one level. On the next level is class grandchild inheriting the child class. Inheriting the child class means this class can access both the members of this class, this parent class, this child class, and then parent class also. That is what we call it as multi-level inheritance. So more than one level of inheritance, we call it as multi-level inheritance. Let's check the output. ob1 is equal to grandchild of means we are creating an object of grandchild class. This grandchild class can have access to both the child class and parent class. ob1.f5 of f2, f1, f, all the methods we called. So it is displaying, methods are accessed and the outputs are displayed. This is called multi-level inheritance. Our next concept is multiple inheritance. So up to now we discussed about we can inherit one class. If you can inherit more than one class, we call it as multiple inheritance. So class A is having one method, and class B is having one method. So we can inherit both the classes. That is what more than one class. If you inherit more than one class, we call it as a multiple inheritance. So class C is inheriting both A and B, means class C is having access to both A's members and B's members. That is what multiple inheritance is. So it can access, we are defining the object for C, and ob1 is the object. So with ob1 we can call f1, f2, f5, all the methods that are present in C, A and B. That is what multiple inheritance. This is very basic level understanding of inheritance. In our next class, we go deep into the concepts of method overriding. That means if both the classes, if the inherited class and the parent class both are having the same name methods, how Python will access those methods, all these concepts, how to access the constructors and instance variables of the parent class and child class. All these concepts will be discussed in our next class. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.